The Richie Lecture is crucially important to Urenco. We're back here at the Science Museum in December 2022. Dr. Ken is doing a fantastic presentation that will show children actually how important it is to tackle climate change and what can be done.
So in this show I've got things exploding, things are changing colour. There's got to be a reason for it. For example, when I blow up a balloon full of a gas, that's to simulate what would happen if we didn't deal with rotting vegetables properly.
Dr. Ken was amazing, and I think the children were really engaged, and from what I could see from the quiz, they learnt a lot as well.
There was a lot of hands going up as I was asking questions, and the volunteers, but they really get into it.
I really enjoyed Dr. Ken's lecture, and especially the interactive experiments. They were really fun. I really liked the practical stuff that he did, and it definitely inspired me to be more environmentally friendly.
I thought about a lot of changes I want to make in my life.
I've learned a lot of stuff like carbon footprints and how to make the world more environmentally friendly.
I'm getting the students to think about the science from their science lessons. All these things they'd be familiar with, and they can take back and go, oh, that's why we learnt that.
I love space and all things to do with space and chemistry.
I want to be a doctor of astrophysics.
Learning through hands-on activities like the Wonderlab and coming to lectures like the Richie Lecture really help children to be inspired and learn in a hands-on, practical way, a lot of the time without realising what they are learning, and they take those things away with them and hopefully want to get more involved in STEM subjects.
And what's a world without STEM? It's a world without iPads, it's a world without technology.
I loved the Wonderlab because I loved all the interactive things that you could do, especially the slides.
I loved the lifting yourself up when you're sitting down. I thought that was really crazy and really cool.
Now I know, instead of peeling a banana and just throwing it in the bin, I now know what the consequences would be, so now I know what to do.
I learnt that bananas can explode.
It's really important to teach children STEM subjects because those are the subjects that are going to help us to solve the problems that we're facing today.
Because after all, we only need one of those students to be the next Einstein.